Welcome to my channel. I'm Christina, and in today's video I will show you a long tail cast on. This is the first video for my series about different cast on methods, and I'm starting with long tail cast on because it's the most common way to start your knitting. It looks like this, very pretty and neat. For long tail cast on you will need a knitting needles and a ball of yarn. The long tail cast on, it's named because you will need to leave a yarn tail. The length of the yarn tail is about 3 times longer than the desired length for the cast on. Let's see this swatch I have here. I want to make the same size, so I leave 3 times more yarn tail. And I start with a slip knot. The slip knot, you make a loop and then you make another loop, get it through the first loop created and put a knitting needle. The slip knot, it's named because it slips. So the yarn tail we leave around the thumb, and the yarn from the ball around the index finger, just like that. We put the index finger and the thumb in between those two strands and we turn. The first cast on stitch looks like this. We put the knitting needle under between the two strands from the thumb, and we grab the first coming yarn from index finger and we pull it through. We release the fingers and tighten it up. Now we have 2 stitches on the needles. Let's do it again. Now you put 2 fingers in between the strands of the yarn, twist it so it looks like this, and we move the needle under these 2 strands from the thumb and we pull this first yarn we see from the index finger and we tighten it up. Now we have 3 cast on stitches on the needle, and we repeat this procedure until the desired length. Twist, come under the balls, between, grab and tighten it up. I will show you one more time. Grab the first strand you see from the index finger and come back the same way. And one more. Again. Once you get hang of it, it will be very easy. You sort of create loop and get the strand through this loop on the needle. One more time slowly. Grab and come the same way out. There is our yarn tail. Here is our long tail cast on. And now this is the right side. You start knitting the first row, and you see these are the purl bumps, so I will purl. I slip the first stitch and I purl. And when I will knit some more rows, it will look like this swatch here.